Hey YouTube, RPM Idaho here. I was going to do a EDC update. I've changed my EDC quite a bit. I've started wearing cargo pants just so I can carry more crap. I actually like them. Just a lot more space. So you can kind of see me. So I'll just start taking things out of my pocket, my left cargo pocket. I have the new to me anyway, Spyderco Tenacious. Did a review on that a day or so ago. So there's that. We'll set that right there. Also, I've started collecting stuff on a key ring. I have a new little light. It has 3 modes. Hold it down. Should change modes. Anyway, SOS, flash, high, low. Keys to my car, spare keys. Little peanut lighter. Really like this. It's kind of cool. Should have plenty of fluid in it. Anyway, it's supposed to work. There you go. So there's that. Get it back in there. Bought a new Victorinox Classic. Really like it. Basically, I bought it for the toothpick and the tweezers. It's got scissors on it and all that. And a nail clipper. All in this Night Eyes little carabiner thing. And then I have this clip. And actually this sits in my pocket. These hang in my cargo pocket. So they're not bunched up at the bottom. That takes care of left cargo pocket, right cargo pocket. I've got my Kershaw Vault 2. Carry my wallet. Also picked up a leatherman classic CS or style CS. That's the one with the scissors. And then I have a little flashlight. And this is the mag light. This is the cheap one. So there's those. In my regular pocket, got a little change purse. Don't like the change hanging out in my pocket. Money clip. More change. Nothing in my back rear pocket. That's kind of why I changed that. Over here, got a pill fob. And then this light gear flashlight. Little mini flashlight. I Spy 009. Did a review on these. I went right to Target and picked one up because I think they're cool. The nice thing about these is the batteries are compartmentalized, and you need this little key here to get the battery out. So if the top falls off in your pocket, you don't have a bunch of batteries hanging out in there. And I think that just about does it for all my pockets. Of course, I got my paracord bracelet in my watch, and I don't have my gun on me. That's in my get home bag, which is upstairs. I started carrying that. I'm going to be doing a review as soon as I can get it loaded onto YouTube. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.